Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
This is Tinku Singh Parmar in front of you. Today I got a golden opportunity to tell about Mahatma Gandhi. So I am starting. Mahatma Gandhi had greatest personality, as you all know. He uh, he was very, when he was between 16 to 17 year old. He wanted to attempt suicide, but in temple. Then he thought that why I am attempting suicide. We all are tolerating that Britishing, and we all are tolerating Britishing, and I can do something for my country. So he used to believe on justice. So he went England and he got a lawyer degree, and he became lawyer, and he got very good experience of life, and he for he went at South Africa and Japan to seeing some to learning something. He was a very good learner, that's why he went at there. At South Africa he got a bitter experience, but when he went at Japan, get a he meet to a teenage, or and he learned very big thing for this teenage. What was that thing? That thing was how to save our respect of our country. It was that thing, and he came India. He motivated for this thing of our Indians. And one my friend said that about Mahatma Gandhi, when he one day he was going on the road, and because of coldness, one lady was shivering, and he thought that she is shivering. I have to do something. He did put off his clothes, and he gave to her, and so that much chest hearted was he. And at last, 15 August 1947, we got a freedom from Britishan, and some slogans he also gave to us, that um, for giving a freedom, that do or die, and Britishan leave the India. And when Nathuram Godse killed him, if he would be alive that time, he would damn sure he would be forgive him, because he was just hearted, and he would be no till the world's end. Thank you.